keep waiting for you to call.
Hello everyone, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be using easy braids extension to braid my daughter's hair. The hair is already pre-stretched. I don't have to pick it, and this is 20 inches long. So I'm conditioning my daughter's hair using our favorite, my hair conditioner and my DIY homemade butter. If you want to know how to make that hair butter, the link will be on the description of this video. It is our back to school month, and we are so excited to be bringing up different hairstyles. We released one back to school hairstyle about a few weeks ago where I showed how I use passion twist hair extension to make my daughter's hair. That video was awesome. If you're looking for a simpler hair extension to braid your daughter's hair, I recommend watching that video. Honestly, come back and thank me later. So today we are making something big, jumbo braids. This braid is about 14 strands. It's not something complicated at all, and it's sharp. Want to do it fast and be done in no time. We don't want to waste time making this hair. So this hair is very good for kids. During school days, you want to make sure you do this hairstyle that doesn't take longer time. And here I am using the knotless method because she's a child. I don't want to grip the roots of the hair in such a way that will make her so uncomfortable. So I usually use this method for my daughter because it is easier for me and her. All I did was to weave the hair extension around her hair and then added another extension to weave it to the end. And I will try as much as possible to show this method several times in this video. everyone, we are done making this 14 strand jumbo braids, and I dipped it in warm water and tried to just wipe it down with a towel. And here is my beautiful daughter, looking great. She did so awesome. I get comments sometimes on how I make my daughter sit to make her hair. Well, just so you know, we started going on camera since she was 18 months, but sincerely we started making her hair when she was just 6 months. I'll just use a few bands to knot her hair into like 4 sections, but tentatively we started going on camera when she was 18 months. She would just sit and behave, but most times it doesn't work out well. Sometimes she behaves, sometimes she doesn't want her hair done. So kids will always be kids. So what I do most time is just to try to put her in the mood, like give her some snacks, make her comfortable, make her watch her favorite TV show, so we can make her hair during that period. I hope this helps those who are asking questions how to get their daughters seated to make their hair. Alright everyone, here I'm just applying my DIY hair oil. I made this oil like also a few weeks ago. If you want to know how to make this oil, the link will also be on the description of this video. This oil has a lot of ingredients combined together. Honestly, trust me on this one.
See you again next time. Bye.